Understanding Django load data or right way to dump data for Fixutes. I have serialized 4 apps from my project with manage.py dump data. But when I'm trying to load it and test as a fixture, I'm getting a validation error. This value must be true or false. How to understand which line of dump is wrong? Or in which model I got this error? Upt. Problem is coming from invalid fixture. But I can't understand why Django Dumpdata creates invalid fixtures. I have added in Django.core.serializers.python and found invalid values manually. But it's not good way. Upt. I'm still interested in a way to dump data for any model and reuse it in tests as a fixture. I'm using PostgreSQL for development.
First of all, are you using any custom, the 3-road party fields? Although if you did and Django's dump data couldn't serialize it would raise an exception, I suppose. Anyway, since last time I checked, there was not any sufficient documentation for writing a custom Django serializer. Here is an example for serializing a custom UID field. Then in your setting.py add. Then from your shell you can load it with Strangely enough, Loaddata does not accept a format parameter like Dumpdata. It decides the format based on the file extension. Yet I could not find a way to hook my custom encoder, so I had to write a new serializer, sad face. That's what I did months ago, when I needed to write a custom serializer, and I had to dig through the Django source code to figure it out, since the official docs had nothing on the subject. I hope it provides some help.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.